Hey and welcome to Alf1. So I have just been trading live here in cold Europa, and yes, we did quite good. I will show you the trades and I will show you how I trade. But before we do that, make sure you like this video. You help me tremendously. Trading here on a laptop is not my typical setup I have in Brazil, but I'm doing my best so I still can keep these live sessions. And also, yes, I know the sound is not amazing, but it's the best we can do because I don't have a typical microphone and all this good stuff. Okay, so, but first, if you did not see my live stream today, probably it's because you never did subscribe to my channel, you have forgot to turn on the bell notification, and also check into my channel once in a while because you'll see the next live stream. Like for example right now, you can go to my channel and you will see in one of the top videos live session for tomorrow, and you can push and you can get a notification when I go live, and also you get a timer that says for you when I'm going to be live. Okay, also when I'm trading I use this broker you see there. You find the link below the video and you can just start with a demo account if you want to do that, because it's much more fun to follow me live when you also have an account. Okay, plus if you decide to go in with real money, you find the link below the video also for that. It's the same link used for to get a demo account, by the way, but you need to make sure you use the promo code, because if you use the promo code you get 200% on your first deposit. Okay, but like I said, start with a demo account because it's not so easy to follow as you think it is. Yes, it is easy, but in the start can be confusing, so make sure you manage to follow before you go in with real money. Okay, now let's take a look at how much money we made in this live session. Let's see here now. We can see the trades are done here. We did take 8 trades today. You see 12, we did 8 trades and we won 6 of them. The profit, we see we lost the last one by the way. The profit today is 343. The good thing, every time I'm trading I also receive some cash back. That's the green number you see here. So let's push this button so you can receive this money. We push there now, it's added to our balance, and we got ourselves some extra money, so that is nice. So I think that was like 20 something dollars. Let's say it was 20, it was a little more, but 20, so our profit is like 363. That is quite decent, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now, how do I trade? I find specific areas. Let's see if I can find one that is pretty nice. Let's go to Binance. Okay, here you see, for example, the one up here, for example, I would have been trading right now because I have the rule, if I've been away from a bar for like 20-ish minutes, I will then make it blue like the one you see here. If you've been away for a while, I will want to have one test of it before I start to trade again. But the one up here, for example, I would say, if this bar here now come up to this red line, we will take a down trade. I keep the same color scheme, red for down, green for up. Let's say this one was green now, let's say have not been away a long time, then this one would have been green. I will take a trade on it. Okay, so green for up, red for down, and I always say the numbers because it's not always you can see it. So 210.98, easy. Then maintenance, and if you don't get what I'm saying, you can just write in the chat and I will tell it once again. Now here's the thing, while I'm here in Aruba, I do not have a typical setup with more screens and things, so I do not see the chat all the time, so I do my best to follow up and give the information you need. But for now I check in the chat like every 5 or 10 minutes, so maybe I will not be able to see if you write you did not get the number. Then I'm sorry for that, because I will be here in Aruba at least this week and next, and 23 of October, that will be the first day we are back to normal, and then I will actually trade 2 times a day. I will trade for this broker here and then another broker you find below this one. So if you want, you can sign up for both and put in money in both, or just have demo account and follow me in the start. Completely up to you. Okay, so by the way, make sure you tune in tomorrow. I will trade live if you want to trade and maybe make some money together with me, or just make demo money together with me. As you can see, you can have up to 5 accounts here. I just have one real account with money, and I do not have a demo account on this setup. But you should have a demo account, and you should maybe wait with a real account. And also a way you can do if you want to go in with real money. If you want to have, for example, a way to monetize if you make money in my live session, or if you make more money trading by yourself, you can deposit money to one account that can be the top one, for example. That can be when you're trading live together with me. Then you can deposit money on account number 2, where you can have for yourself, and you can see if your trading for yourself is making more money than following my trades. I do not think there are any other YouTubers that do what I'm doing, where you can follow trades live. But if you have found someone that actually do that, then you can follow me here, for example, with one, and you can follow the other YouTuber or something here, and you can see if you make more money with me or with another one. So it's a nice way also you can do things, okay? But for that, have an amazing day, and I really hope I see you tomorrow. And if you did see this video and you enjoyed this type of content, like that, make sure you like this video, and also tell me in the comments what you think, and if you're going to join me tomorrow. Have an amazing day.